Welcome to our class on Wireshark. In our previous lesson, we treated a comprehensive guide to network troubleshooting, security, and optimization. In this our lesson, we'll be exploring on Wireshark as a practical guide. Now, here is the interface of our Wireshark, graphic user interface of Wireshark. Here, as you can see, the interface looks friendly and is a nice interface to work with. And in this lesson, we are going to learn how to download it. We do the installation, effective use of these essential tools for our what? Network troubleshooting and analysis. Let's move forward. Downloading and installing Wireshark. In this process of downloading our Wireshark, we need to visit the website of Wireshark, which is www.wireshark.org, and download the latest versions of the operating system. Let's click on the website that will head us to the website interface. Here is the website of Wireshark. As you can see, the interface looks friendly. Now, it's suggesting to us that we should download Wireshark. You will download it based on your installers or your operating system. I would prefer this because that is what I'm using. In our installation, we open the Window Explorer. Then we select the folder. As the case, it will be held to our downloading folders. Then we locate the versions of the Wireshark downloading in the activities tool and double click on the file to open it. Then if you see a user account controlling dialog box, select yes to allow the programs to make changes to the computer. Yes, it will prompt. Then you select yes to do that. You select next to start the setup wizard. Then review the license agreement. If you agree with it, select I agree to continue. Select next to accept the default component. Then select the shortcut if you prefer it to show on your desktops and what have you. Then select next to accept the default installation location. Then you select install to begin installation. Select next to install WinPickup. The WinPickup just stands as a wizard to accumulate all the packets. This is an aid to Wireshark. It helps in smooth running of Wireshark. It is another software that helps or is the smooth running of Wireshark in our network. On our interface. Now you select next to start the setup wizard. Then review the license agreement of the WinPickup and then you agree to it. You select install to begin installation. You finish to complete the installation of the WinPickup. Select next to continue with the installations of Wireshark. Select finish to complete the installations of Wireshark. And that is all about the installations of Wireshark. Then, so far, we've been able to download our Wireshark, install it, we verify the installation. That's the next thing to do. We ensure that the installation was successful by launching the Wireshark application. Capturing and analyze network traffic. That's the main duty of Wireshark. We start capture Open Wireshark and select Start button to begin capturing the network. Then we examine what? The packet. Browse through the capture packet. Click on individual packet to view their details in order to troubleshoot and know exactly what each packet, the response, the queries and what have you on each packet, and the IP. Or now, how do we start, end, and even continue with our capture in Wireshark? The tools we use in Wireshark. The first one, we use the same packet capturing option as the previous session or use default if option were set. Then within a couple of minutes, if you start capture, you see a lot of packets running out of your systems. You have captured a lot of packets. Then if you tend to stop it, then you use this red square button. That is, you stop the current active capture on your system. Then if you tend to restart it again, you use this like a recycled green Wireshark symbol again to restart the activities. Then open the capture in the dialog box to view. While the next one is to save. You can decide to save the current file in anywhere you choose to. Then you can tend to close the file completely. The current file, you can tend to close it completely. Here is the symbol for it. The symbol is indicated by the left corner of all the tools menu. While you can reload the current capture file, you can search for particular packets on your capture. You can even jump back, go forward. You can go of your capturing a lot of packets out of your capture. Auto scroll in live capture. You can click on auto scroll for live capture. Auto scroll live capture list during live capture. It will list it and it will be moving alongside with your capture. You can customize the color of your captures, customize the packet list and what have you. Then you can decide to zoom in and zoom out. Meanwhile, you can do this by using Ctrl++ as well to zoom out, while Ctrl+- to zoom in. You can decide to put it in a normal size and resize column as well with these tools and the tools bar. Far so good. We've been able to exploit Wireshark in a simple capture by doing what? Downloading sample, visiting the Wireshark website, and downloading simple capture file for practical analysis. That's all we have been doing so far. And we've been able to open capture, as you can see in our first view. We've been able to view how the captures look like. In our next lesson, we'll be dealing with it live. We will not be using this interface of the things or downloaded something to analyze it or explain it any longer. Open the downloaded capture file in Wireshark to explain the real world network traffic. Then this is what we'll be doing in our next lesson. Analyze data. We will try to inspect the packets, follow the streams, and gain insight from the simple capture. Thank you for watching our class. Stay tuned to the next class. Remain blessed.